So check it out. I've got two dips I'd like to show you today. One's a buffalo chicken dip and the other is a special sausage dip. So stay tuned. I'm going to start with the buffalo chicken dip first. So the first thing that you're going to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab a bowl and to it add 2 cups of shredded chicken. Just buy some rotisserie chicken and shred it. Makes it so much easier. Then to this bowl you're going to add 8 ounces of cream cheese. Take the cream cheese out an hour before so it's softened. It's easy to mix that way. Then a half cup of sour cream, a half cup of ranch dressing, a half cup of your favorite hot sauce, and a half cup will put it at a mild to medium spicy. If you like it really spicy, of course, add more hot sauce. And the last thing that you add to your bowl is shredded cheese. I am using extra sharp cheddar shredded cheese. Now you can use any cheese you want, and like I'm grating my cheese, you don't have to do that. You can buy the cheese already grated at the grocery store. Now don't put all of the 8 ounces of shredded cheese in the bowl. Save some because we are going to use it to put on top. Now mix all of your ingredients together. Grab a baking dish and put it in evenly. Top it with the cheese that we saved. Then add it to the oven that we preheated to 350 degrees. Let it bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. And when it gets close to the end, if the cheese is not melted on the top like you like it, then turn it up to broil and let it stay under there for a few minutes. Now take it out of the oven, and I top mine with some green onions because, I just wanted it to look pretty. Make sure to let it cool a bit before serving because that cheese is really hot. And there it is, buffalo chicken dip. Now let's go to our second dip. There is a dip called the 3-ingredient dip. It consists of sausage, cream cheese, and Rotel. However, I like to add a few more things to give it a more enhanced flavor. So check this out. This is what you will need. 1 16-ounce package of ground pork, or if you're not a pork person and you like turkey, turkey will work just as well. Cook the sausage in a skillet until it becomes brown and crumbly, and this should take you about, let's say, 8 minutes. While it's cooking, one thing that I like to add is some seasoning. So today I'm going to add cumin. Once it's finished cooking, then drain the grease off the sausage. Saute a 1/4 cup of chopped onion, and if you want, you can saute the onions while the sausage is cooking to save time. Now return the sausage to the skillet with the onions. Also add 8 ounces of cream cheese. I like cutting my cream cheese up in squares because it helps to melt faster. And then add 1 can of Rotel tomatoes with green chilies. Now stir it all together until the cheese is melted. It's ready when the mixture starts to bubble. Stir in some green onions for some extra flavor. There you have it. Enhanced 3-ingredient cheese dip. I hope you enjoy it.